Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stopping new activation attempts. Open Settings and tap FaceTime, then toggle FaceTime off. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in under Settings so you can sign out if needed. Once done, check date and time and enable Set Automatically to avoid activation errors. If your number shows incorrectly, remove and reinsert the SIM. This ensures the device reports the right phone number. These first actions stop the persistent activation loop while preserving your account details. Next, you clear the connection issues that trigger the message. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a network handshake, then turn it off. Sign out of FaceTime and iMessage under Settings. Wait a minute and sign back into your Apple ID so the services re-register cleanly. If the activation message remains, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This clears cached carrier info and often resolves stuck activations without affecting your data. To finish, make sure activation SMS can be sent and received. Contact your carrier to confirm your plan, supports SMS activation messages, and international SMS if required. Update iOS to the latest release and try a fresh SIM or eSIM reprovisioning to clear carrier flags. If you still see the activation message despite these steps, turn FaceTime off permanently to stop the alerts or contact Apple support for account-side fixes. One tip: if messages persist, a carrier reset or Apple account refresh usually fixes hidden registration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.